Welcome to Capital Investments, the channel where we delve into the world of finance, technology, and future trends. Our mission is to shed light on the most compelling shifts in these sectors, empowering you with insights that could shape your investment strategies. We navigate the intricate labyrinth of the financial markets, demystifying the complex world of technology, and forecasting the trends that are set to redefine our future. Today, we're going to discuss a hot topic: 10 reasons why AI is the future of work. Reason number 1: increased efficiency. Let's dive into how artificial intelligence or AI is revolutionizing the efficiency of our workspaces. It's all about streamlining processes. AI can automate and expedite repetitive tasks that often consume valuable time. Think about those mundane tasks that fill up your to-do list, like data entry or sorting emails. Hey, I can handle those, freeing up your time to focus on more complex and stimulating tasks. Moreover, AI doesn't clock out. It can tirelessly work around the clock, ensuring that productivity is maintained even when human employees are off the clock. This constant operation doesn't just maintain productivity, it significantly enhances it. And let's not forget the accuracy of AI with its ability to analyze and process vast amounts of data with precision. The margin for human error is significantly reduced. It's clear to see that AI doesn't just streamline operations, it supercharges them. Thus, AI significantly boosts efficiency in the workplace. Moving on to reason number 2: improved decision-making. In the world of business, decisions matter, and the more informed those decisions are, the better. Enter artificial intelligence. AI has the uncanny ability to sift through colossal amounts of data so vast that it would take humans centuries to analyze. But for now, it's just another day at the office. It doesn't just stop at analysis. AI goes a step further to generate insightful interpretations from this data. Imagine making strategic choices backed by data-driven facts and insights rather than relying on gut feelings or assumptions. This is the power of AI. It transforms the decision-making process, making it more accurate, more effective, and ultimately more profitable for businesses. With AI, you're not just making decisions, you're making the right decisions. As you can see, it can dramatically enhance decision-making processes. Our third reason is cost savings. Let's take a deep dive into how artificial intelligence can significantly reduce operational costs in any business. Time is money. It can automate routine tasks that usually require human intervention, thus freeing up valuable time for employees to focus on more complex tasks. This shift not only boosts productivity but also reduces the likelihood of human error, leading to cost savings in the long run. Moreover, AI systems can be programmed to work around the clock without any downtime. This 24/7 availability increases efficiency and ensures that operations continue smoothly without any delays. It also has the potential to save costs by improving decision-making. It can analyze vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human, providing insights and predictions that help businesses avoid costly mistakes and make better strategic decisions. Clearly, AI serves as a powerful tool for cost reduction. This is just one more reason why it's the future of work. Reason number 4: enhanced customer experience. Imagine walking into a store where every product on the shelves is tailored to your preferences. You're not just another face in the crowd, but a valued customer with unique needs. This is exactly the kind of experience artificial intelligence can create. It can analyze vast amounts of data, understand patterns, and interpret individual preferences. This ability allows businesses to personalize their services, making customers feel seen and valued. What's more, it can provide round-the-clock customer service, answering queries and resolving issues swiftly, further boosting customer satisfaction. It doesn't just stop at satisfying customers. It anticipates their needs, offering product recommendations and personalized deals. This not only enhances the shopping experience but also fosters customer loyalty. In essence, AI can revolutionize the customer experience. It's like having a personal concierge at your service anytime, anywhere. And who wouldn't appreciate such an enhanced experience? Next up, reason number 5: predictive capabilities. Imagine being able to foresee future trends and developments with artificial intelligence. This isn't just a wild guess. It's a reality. AI algorithms are designed to analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and predict future outcomes with astonishing accuracy. This capability is invaluable for businesses. For instance, in the retail sector, AI can predict customer preferences, enabling companies to tailor their products and services accordingly. In the financial industry, AI can forecast market trends, helping investors make informed decisions. Even in healthcare, AI can predict disease outbreaks, allowing for early interventions by staying ahead of the curve. Businesses can seize opportunities, mitigate risks, and gain a competitive edge. They can be proactive, not just reactive. They can shape the future, not just follow it. This predictive power, the ability to turn data into foresight, is another compelling reason why AI is the future of work. Moving on to reason number 6, AI and innovation. Now, when we talk about innovation, we often think about new ideas, fresh perspectives, and groundbreaking methods. AI fits the bill perfectly. It's not just about automating tasks or improving efficiency. AI has the power to revolutionize the way we approach problems and tasks, fostering a culture of innovation. Imagine this: an AI system that doesn't just follow instructions, but also learns, adapts, and even suggests new methods to tackle tasks. It's like having a creative partner that never tires. AI can help us see patterns we would otherwise miss, suggest unique solutions, and even predict future trends. This potential for innovation is what makes AI an indispensable tool in the modern workplace. In fields as diverse as healthcare, finance, and entertainment, AI is pushing boundaries and opening up new possibilities. So, it can be a significant driver of innovation. Reason number 7, data security. In this digital age, data is the new gold, and protecting it is paramount. Artificial intelligence provides an effective security wall, bolstering defenses against data breaches and cyber threats. It's like having a tireless digital watchman constantly on guard. AI systems can learn from past incidents, identifying patterns and adapting to new potential threats. They tirelessly monitor vast quantities of data, detecting anomalies that could indicate a cyber attack. It's not just about responding to threats, but anticipating them. And it's not just about large corporations. Small businesses, too, can benefit from AI's protective capabilities. Regardless of the size of the company, AI offers a shield that is constantly evolving, becoming ever more resilient against the increasingly sophisticated tactics of cybercriminals. In an era where data breaches can cause significant financial and reputational damage, its role in data security is more crucial than ever. With AI, businesses can achieve higher levels of data security. Our 8th reason is scalability. Let's delve into this a bit. Scalability is a significant advantage that artificial intelligence brings to the table. As your company grows, so does the potential for your AI system. It can easily scale up to handle larger tasks, more customers, and more data. It's like having an employee that grows with your business, always ready to take on more. But it's not just about growing. It can scale down too, if your business has a slow period or needs to reduce operations. Your AI system can adjust accordingly. It's flexible, adapting to the ebb and flow of your enterprise. In essence, AI offers a dynamic solution that can rise to the occasion during peak times and scale back during quieter periods. This adaptability is vital in today's fast-paced, ever-changing business landscape. Clearly, AI scalability is a game-changer. It hands you the reins to steer your business in any direction with a reliable co-pilot by your side. Reason number 9. AI and job creation. While it's easy to fear that artificial intelligence will replace human workers, let's flip the script and view AI as a job creator instead. Contrary to popular belief, AI doesn't signify job extinction. Rather, it brings forth the dawn of new industries and job roles. Think about it. When automobiles replaced horse-drawn carriages, it wasn't the end. It was the beginning of an entire industry that created millions of jobs worldwide. Similarly, AI is paving the way for jobs that we can't even imagine yet. It's giving rise to roles like AI ethics officers, AI trainers, and AI maintenance workers. Not to mention the need for professionals to design, develop, manage, and monitor these AI systems. Moreover, AI can automate mundane tasks, freeing humans for more creative and complex problem-solving roles. It's a brave new world, and we're at the forefront of it. AI is not a job killer, but a job creator. Finally, reason number 10. Continuous learning. Artificial intelligence isn't a static entity. It's a dynamic system that's constantly evolving. It's like a diligent student that never sleeps, ceaselessly learning, adapting, and enhancing its capabilities. Just imagine a workforce that never stops improving. A workforce that learns from every interaction, every task, every success, and every failure. This is what AI offers us. Its algorithms are designed to learn from experience, to fine-tune their responses, and to become more efficient and effective over time. This continuous learning aspect of AI doesn't just make it a potent tool for today's tasks, but it prepares it for future challenges. It's like a crystal ball that not only helps us look into the future but also equips us to handle it. Indeed, the ability of AI to continuously learn underscores its potential as the future of work. And there you have it, the 10 reasons why is the future of work. From increased efficiency and improved decision-making to cost savings and enhanced customer experience. Not to mention predictive capabilities, innovation, data security, scalability, job creation, and continuous learning. The potential of AI in transforming the future of work is truly astounding. So let's embrace the revolution. Don't forget to subscribe to Capital Investments for more insights into future trends. Until next time.